30 years and I still kept your name.
Widowhood hurt, but divorce never really left.
They'll last forever.
For a while, we almost did.
As long as we're together, we are.
We can't keep living like this. Daniel, what's wrong?
I'm doing everything I can!
He'll need more treatment.
Is it serious?
What do we do now? We'll start immediately. Come with me.
Oh, my baby.
Stress moved in and pride gave it a room.
How can you say that?
Because it's true, we're toxic!
You don't mean that!
Maybe we were a mistake!
Daniel, please! Don't say that. No screaming, no goodbye, just signatures.
Some heartbreaks don't scream. They just stop hoping.
Lord, if grace is still possible, don't let it die.
We've got a new volunteer next week.
Oh, that's wonderful news!
Yes, they are excited to help. His name is Daniel Carter.
No!
I'm so sorry.
Lord, this better be your idea.
I do not care. I absolutely care. Stop being ridiculous.
Evelyn?
Daniel.
Well, this is awkward.
Yes, yes it is.
How are the kids?
They're good. Busy, but good. Older, smarter, less dramatic than us.
And
I used to blame you for everything.
Only used to?
Age makes honesty cheaper.
I was scared, proud. I made you the enemy.
I blamed myself too. I hated you for a long time.
I know.
But I never stopped praying for you.
I never stopped loving you.
I prayed for this.
If God can redeem wasted years, I like whatever time we have left.
Oh, Daniel, I would love that.
Me too.
Some prayers take decades, but God never forgets.